Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to make a transparent watermark on Capcut. So here I already have my Capcut application open, and then for the next thing we can go into the new project. Please go into the stock videos and we can choose the background here. Okay, let's choose a background, go downside. Please choose a specific background. For me, let's do this. Okay, and after that just click add, and now we can go into the text button. Place a text, and now you can type the watermark that you want to put there. Okay, let's do for me some ID, for example. Okay, so after that, adjusting the size. Okay, after we finished, just click done and screenshot this. Okay, after we finish, go back and start the new project, and you can choose the video that you want to edit and put the watermark in. Okay, for example this video, and then just go add, and now please go into the overlay and add the photos that we have from the screenshotting the previous project and click add. Now we can adjust in it by go into the edit features here, and then click crop, and now we can crop, and please just go into focusing on the ID. Okay, and after we finish, just click done, and now we can go into the cut out button here, and then we can choose a chroma key, and please pick the color of the background here, which means green, and go to the intensity and adjusting until it's become okay, and after that just click done. And it is not end here. We have to looking for a occupations, now opacity, sorry, the opacity here, and then we can adjusting the opacity of the watermark that we want, make it like transparent like this. And after you finished for adjusting the transparency, just click done, and please have a look. Oh wait, we need to adjusting the length of this so it will be appear on the whole video that we have. Okay, now let's take a look for the result. We already have the watermark on this video. That's all the way how we make a transparent watermark on a Capcut. If you find out this video really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.